What's going on, everyone? As it is here, and on this channel we got plenty of interesting technology. So we got some, Bluetooth headphones, some smart speakers, some projectors, some smartphones, also some gimbals and drones and smartwatches. We got all that, and you get the point. It's very interesting. This is a tech channel. We love that. But what about something different? What about something that'll make every man or woman unstoppable? So today we got that's a little bit different. I will present you Dewalt power tool, 5-piece set, cordless, so everything on battery. And this is my first impression of it. I'm very excited to have this, and so yeah, let's unbox it together. All the tool in it it's wrapped up in plastic. I didn't touch, I didn't sew nothing, and I'm very excited to check that right now with you. So let's go. Okay, so let's start first with the bag. Here we got really comfortable, soft handles. That's what I really liked. Hard bottom. That's second thing that I really love, and a lot of other pockets. And already something that I put in this pocket, and that is a lot of beads. What I also love about these bead stuff is has here like a little notch in here, and what it is for is like when you buy a second plastic case, it'll be the same size, same everything, and it'll attach to this, so you can like have different sets, different cases, and everything will be stick to each other, so you not lose it up. Very convenient. I love it. Now let's dig into the bag. Let's see what we got. Oh man, I'm so excited. We don't need that. Okay, first things first. Oh, before I start, I'm gonna struggle a little bit with the names of each tool, just because I'm a foreign person. My original language is something else, Croatian language, and on Croatian language I call this something totally different than on American English language or whatever. But anyway, this is very nice tool for cutting things, or maybe even like sanding things a little bit. And the way how it cuts stuff, it vibrates. So I also bought a little knife that goes on that. So you attach this type of knife, just press this part, slide this in here. Whoa, so easy, man. That's so firm. Now let's put a battery. Where is the battery? Okay, here we have a charger, battery. Okay, we got instructions too, but who got time for that? So let's hope that it's charged. So this is 20 watt, 2 amp per hour. Oh man, just the smell of the new tool, man. Let's try on something. Wow, that'll do a good job with cutting. So it just vibrates. Has these little notches, vibrates, and that way it cuts stuff. And of course you can put many different type of the attachments. You can use this for different type of corners. So I love this. Here you can adjust the level from 1 to 3. Wow, this is full of the power, man. I love it. Okay, here we can see how much battery percentage we have. Okay, battery is pretty empty. Here also we have LED light, brushless motors. Like, man, this is a wonderful thing. Can't wait to start working with it. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. Okay, now let's put that on the side. Now let's grab the second product that we pull out. And that is, I'm assuming you're gonna call this a sander, because that's what you do with it. You sand the surface. So what you do with this is, when you put a drywall and when you put a mud on connections of the drywall, or when you put that type of the mud, when you smooth out the surface, you need something to sand all that, because you're gonna get tired doing all that with hands if you have a big surface, or to just sand something or buff something on a car. You can use it in many different occasions. So what it does, it spins, and in that way, smooth the surface. Here we have also the adjustment level. Oh man, that's gonna do an amazing job. All the dust will go through here out, so you can connect the vacuum cleaner and have all the dust sucked up in the vacuum, or you can also attach, second, if you don't have a lot to sand, so then you can, in that case, just attach this. There we go. Attach this, so all the dust will go in here and it will not clog up, because it can still breathe through this, so air will go out but dust will not go out. But that is only if you don't have a lot big surface to sand. Also, on everything is brushless motors. Everything is 20 watts. And what I love, one battery, same battery goes on every product. So you can just end up switching up between products with the same battery. Love it. Now let's go on a third product. So that means, well, we have 3 products left. We got some more books and letters to read. We can take care of it later. You know, we don't need to record that. I'm very glad about this. Oh man, it's actually very small, which I love. I feel like Ryobi drill is a little bit bigger, and this one should be stronger. So I feel like Ryobi is 18 volt. This one is 20. Oh, that's nice. Of course, you can adjust the power here. Here you can, of course, switch the directions. Here also do you want it slower or faster? Man, this is wonderful, man. You can adjust everything with the fingers. I mean, with your hands. Very convenient, very nice, very light, very professional, very loved by me. And we got flashlight. There's not a lot to talk about that, but it's nice to have it. So let's put quickly the battery, same battery on that. There you go. And just shoot the light somewhere. You know what? Maybe I end up using it for my YouTube videos. How can you see me now? You see me better? Okay, anyway. And now the last piece of all is this impact drill. Also very small. Like, so you can see how much smaller it is. And pretty much, yes, you can do things that you would do with this one, you can do pretty much with this one, or some opposite stuff, but purpose of this one is mainly for screwing the bolts for bolts and nuts, screws, mostly for that type of work. So if you want to drill the holes, you're gonna grab this. Let's put a battery in it, and you know what? I think that I got another battery too. Yeah, let me first check this. Hey, who's gonna read all this? Gone. Yeah, that was right. We got another battery. We got a nice charger, and also we got different kind of a knife for the first tool that I showed you. So let's see how this will cut something. That's fast. It's like an actual saw. I didn't expect to be that fast. That actually surprised me. So now we can see that this battery is charged up a little bit better than the other one. Of course, we're gonna charge it through the night and be ready for the action day. Okay, so now let's test the last tool. I love the sound. I love it. Okay, so to put it in, it's very easy. Just put it in. But to take it out, you pull this section out, and that will drop the bead. So that's very good, very nice, very convenient. I got no screws here, but of course you don't drill the screws with the Phillips bead, but we just needed to make a test. And now this is a real man tool. If you're a man who loves fixing stuff, who loves building stuff, and etc., like I do, this is a tool to go to. Of course, there are plenty of options on the market, and you need to see, are you a professional? Like, in a way, are you going to work with this tool every day? Are you going to use this tool to the maximum? Or you are someone who works, who needs the tool, who loves the tool, but you're gonna do something for yourself, so something today, something in a month, or whatever. You're not working every day. You know, maybe you could go for something a little bit cheaper, or I don't know. Either way, this is the Dewalt toolkit that I got, and because I'm planning to use this tool to the maximum, and can't wait to use it. So now when you saw all this tool, all this type of the technology, like I said, it's a little bit different than what we used to see on this channel. So if you're interested in this type of technology, leave a like, share, comment, and let me know what you want to see in next video. And if you are interested, I'll make sure later on, after I use this tool for a while, to give a proper long-term review. Maybe that video will help you decide, is this tool for you, or should you look for something else? But to be able to see that, you need to subscribe. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.